In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Clash of Clans game. For that, just open your app, and after opening, make sure you complete the tutorial. And after you complete your tutorial, they will give you some prompt and you have to read all of them, and keep tapping on your screen to skip that prompt, and then tap on this setting button, and then tap on this gear button, that's our setting, and tap on disconnected. And now you have to tap on create a new Supercell account, and you have to enter your Gmail over here, and then tap on send email, and they will send you a verification code on your Gmail. Just go and check it out, and it might also let you to paste it itself. Let me just do it manually. So go and check our Gmail, that's our code over there. Tap on paste button to paste, tap on submit button, and now tap on create account, and you have to enter your unique player ID. Let's just say UID, and tap on tick button and then continue. And if it is rejected, you need to enter another name and tap on continue button. And now you have to choose your avatar, and then tap on continue button after choosing your background, and tap on activate my card. And that is how you can sign up into your Clash of Clans. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.